Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about what to expect after sending in your POA. But as usual, before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that ring bell button below so you get notified whenever we post a new tutorial. One of the essential parts in the process of reinstatement of your seller account is drafting your POA, which should be clear and concise. After submitting it to Amazon, you should brace yourself for the hardest part of the reinstatement process, which is waiting. As the clock is ticking, there are several emails from Amazon that you can expect. The first one, which is the most common one, is an email from Amazon asking you to provide more information. This can be frustrating, especially if you feel like you have provided everything they asked for. The second one is the golden email, which announces the reinstatement of your account and selling privileges. Last but not least is the dreaded rejection email from Amazon. What that basically means is that your account will not be reinstated. Your next move will be to square one. You will need to collect data from scratch and present a new POA to Amazon. More POAs equal more waiting. Make sure you hit the spot with the first POA. If you have issues like this, it is always better to trust your POA to professionals at Got Suspended. We'll be very glad to help you. For more content and information like this, please visit our website gotsuspendedclients.com and make sure to follow our Instagram and Facebook pages. Thank you for watching and bye for now.